Hi. simpliRP has a unique feature of listing out all the stock, which are going to expire. Earlier we saw, during GRN items entry, there is a facility to record the expiry date of an item stock. You can go to expiry stock details in stock reports. Select the date range and submit. simpliRP will show all the items going to expire during the selected date range. You can also filter by supplier name or item code. The list will show only for the selected items. simpliRP is the easiest way for your material management. Please feel free to contact us to know about more features. Thank you.